My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit path. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Wow! See if we all fell.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please!
He went this way. No, that way. There's important things. All right, just say hello, good night. I'm late.
To bring the butterflies, kiss the children. Sun with the sun is out the door and walk. Get up in the morning
Who are you?
Now this is curious. Told you. This way.
Hello, something? I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
Well, he went this way.
He planted her white roses by mistake.
And the queen, she likes them red. If she saw white instead, she makes a fuss. And eats a fuss.
Her Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts.
And the kings.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42. The Queen always wins.
Off with their heads! Off with their heads! Stop it!
Goodness! Mother, today's my birthday too.
We'll have to clean this up.
Marianne!
How many here?